Hello, my dear friends. I hope that you're enjoying the holidays. We are coming right up on Christmas if that's a holiday that you celebrate. At the release of this video, it'll be on Wednesday, December 22nd, so 3 days before Christmas. And I've been talking to any of those who are on my Patreon channel. We've been doing the countdown to Christmas. But I want to talk to you a little bit today about what happens after Christmas. And what happens after Christmas is getting back on your feet, getting back on your planner, and getting things back to normal. So think about how you're going to get back to normal and jump right in with your routines, number one, with your basic plan, your basic weekly plan, number two, and your zones, number three. Those three things, those three levels of the three-layer cake are so important to getting you back to normal. So today is Wednesday. If we're coming right up to a holiday, any holiday, I like you to be prepared for that holiday in such a way that you are not having to clean or declutter right up next to it. So most of the people I'm recommending at this point have stopped doing anything but their routines. Remember, your routines are getting up in the morning and doing your morning routine, which would be your bathroom routine, including swishing and swiping, making your bed, putting on your makeup, moisturizing your skin, of course, emptying your dishwasher, doing some laundry, going through your paper clutter if you have any, just an inch. And then after that, I usually have you do your zone, but you can drop that if you want to this week. Now, it's only Wednesday, so you might want to go one more day in your zone. The zone we're in is zone 4, which is the master bedroom. Might be a good time for you to sweeten that up a little bit for the holidays. Then the basic weekly plan is planning and desk day. So this is a great day to stick with that one more day, planning out this upcoming week, planning out what you're going to do. So we're going to have Christmas on Saturday. That's normally a family fun day. If you're a payroll patron, that can be a day where you do your weekly home blessing in your zone, but not this day. If you're celebrating Christmas, you only get so many holidays in the year. Please enjoy them. Life is too short to be cleaning on a holiday, okay? So I'm not saying you can't do routines, but I wouldn't do laundry, and that's a routine. I probably wouldn't do paper clutter. That's a routine because this is a holiday. So you're just going to make your bed, take care of your skin, take care of your bathroom, take care of your kids, make meals, clean up after meals. That's it. But this Wednesday, I want you to plan out next week. So Christmas is on Saturday in this example. Sunday is a rest day. Monday, back to normal. Now, you might still have decorations up. It might be something in your family that you keep up to the first of the year, or it might be that you're done already. You've had enough of Christmas. You want to take it down. I hate to be talking about that before the holiday's over, but just for plan's sake, plan out what you're going to do. Plan out that when you're going to take your tree down, but also plan for at-home homemakers. The basic weekly plans, the weekly home blessing hour on Monday will really sorely need to be done after the holidays. On Tuesday, have a free day, and that's good, a time to just really take some time for you. Wednesday, planning and desk day for the next week. Thursday, running your errands. Friday, car and purse day. Saturday, family fun day. Sunday, renew your spirit. For those of you who work outside the home, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, go to work. Do your routines in the morning, your routines when you get home. Don't forget the clutter stops, all of you, whether you're at-home homemakers or payroll homemakers. 3 clutter stops a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, will keep clutter from piling up in your house. But on the payroll on Saturday, you're going to do your zone for 1 hour after breakfast, and then you're going to do the weekly home blessing hour. The other things you're going to do is a planning and desk day will be on Sunday afternoon, if you can have some quiet time for planning your next week. And so even this Sunday after Christmas, do your planning and desk day for the next week, payroll homemakers. And then your car and purse day can happen throughout the week. That's an easy little simple thing. You can do that at work on your lunch hour or your break, or when you first pull in the driveway in the evening on Friday. And errands, you can do that on your way home, pick up your groceries, or on your lunch hour, go pick up something you need to pick up, or turn something back in, take something back or whatever. Those kind of things can happen on your lunch hour, or you can delegate those things. So that will take care of everything you need to do. You have no free day because you work. That's just the way it is, and I had that for 40 years, so don't feel all up by your lonesome. But we do have little times, little pockets of times that a at-home homemaker doesn't have. That drive to work, that drive back home, that lunch hour, that break, those times when you're at work and things aren't so hectic, are little personal pockets of time for you. So Monday is weekly home blessing hour, which you're going to do on Saturday. Tuesday's free day, take it in pockets of time. Wednesday is planning and desk day. You're going to do that Sunday afternoon. Thursday is errand day. You can pick up your groceries on the way home on a specific day or delegate that, and any other things you can do that need to be done outside the home, any errands. A lot of those you can run on your lunch hour, or you can run it on the way home from work, or you can delegate. Friday is car and purse day. We've talked about that. Saturday is family fun day. So after you do your hour of zone and your hour of weekly home blessing, after you've done your half hour or hour of routines, depending on what you have to do in the morning, the rest of the day is family fun day. Okay? All right, so that's what you have. That's the normal life. And that's what you're going to get right back to at-home homemakers on Monday, payroll homemakers on Monday. It's just going to be whatever your normal Monday is, you're going to step right in. The only addition is, when are you going to take down your decorations? So that's what you want to get done as soon as you can. Not as soon as you can, as soon as you normally plan it. For me, I like to get it done. The reason I say as soon as you can is I like to get mine taken down as soon as Christmas is over, like the next day or the day after I'm ready for the tree to come down. I've watched lots of movies, which I hope you're enjoying right now. My husband and I watched, Mr. B and I watched It's a Wonderful Life last night, the original one, which was wonderful. We've seen Christmas Vacation, which is a little bawdy, but I like it. I plan on watching Elf because I personally like that. We'll watch that together. Christmas with the Cranks is one of my favorites. A Christmas Story. There's some really fun Christmas movies that I enjoy watching, Larry enjoys watching, so we will be watching those. But we will have had our fill. I've already had plenty of eggnog. I made my Trim Healthy Mama eggnog. It's gone. I don't want to make any more. I've made Trim Healthy Mama candies. I've made chocolate covered cherries. I've made chocolate covered Buckeyes. I've made chocolate fudge with walnuts. I've made a Yule log or a bûche Noël. And I'm probably going to make another Snickers pie for Christmas Day. So I've had all the sweets I want. We'll have all the food we want at my daughter's home. We'll have had opened our presents and had all of those. And I've enjoyed my tree for several weeks. And it's just, for me, I'm kind of satiated. So I'm satiated, I'm ready to be done with that. You may not feel the same way, and that's perfectly all right. But do have a plan in your planner of when it's going to come down. When can you make that happen? And make it happen in little bits, just the same way as you put it up. Now, most of you probably didn't do what I said, and you just splashed it all up at one time and worked for hours. But for those of you who did do what I said, to put your tree up one day, put your wreath up one day, set out your other little decorations one day, slowly but surely putting it up and slowly but surely deconstructing it. So that's what I'd like you to do. I hope that you enjoy the process, and I hope that you're looking forward to a pristine new year. I already have my word for the year, and that word is bliss or blissful. So that is my word, and that's what we're going to be working toward this year. It's just a peaceful, blissful year. So we'll be working on that all next year. In the meantime, I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and that you remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.